How to change cart icon in Shopify. So the first step is to go to themes, then click on customize, and then you're gonna get redirected here. And as you can see, you have here the cart icon. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on it. So you're gonna have to click on the header, and then here as you can see you have different options. So you have card type here, then you have custom CSS. So basically you're gonna have to simply click on the header and then simply drag it over your new cart icon, and basically this will change the cart icon. Now you can also, if you want, so we should have here, as you can see, cart, and then here you can simply change the type. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.